If you need to create a custom form in Webflow, I've got you covered. I'm going to show you everything you need to know. So let's dive in. So on the left here, you'll see from your dashboard, apps and integrations. Now we want to go into apps and integrations. And from here, you will see there's a find an app. You're going to go and click on that. Now, once you've opened this, you'll basically be able to search for a app over here. So what you want to look for is Memberstack. And here it is right here. You'll click on it and you'll have the opportunity to literally install app on the top right hand side. Once you have done that, you will go and if you go one back, you'll see that this app is now installed onto your Webflow. So you'll see on the right hand side there's a view details. You're going to go over to this URL, and once it opens, you'll find yourself in this menu over here. So you'll see all of your menu items on the left here, and you want to go to components. Once you go to components, you will see there are a bunch of sign up forms. Now you can choose the sign up form that you'd like. So once you actually hover your cursor over it, you can click on copy and paste, and then click on copy component on the top right hand side. It now says paste in Webflow. It's as simple as that. Let's go back to our Webflow. We're going to go back into our dashboard and we are going to open our website. Once you're in here, you're going to go ahead and click on this body section over here, and you will just use Control V. Now on the left hand side, you'll see there's a page wrapper. If you click on it, it'll actually take you down to that sign up form that you just created. You can click on it and you can change all of the style settings and interactions options on the right hand side. You can also click down and move it to the place that you'd like to have it on your website.